Did you know? Your body's biggest transformation happens overnight. Not when you're awake, working or exercising, but when you're asleep. Sleep is a powerful force, essential for life on Earth. It's a time when your brain and body work tirelessly, though you may not realize it. Join me as we uncover the secrets of this silent transformation. Sleep is not just rest. It's an active process, crucial for survival, like eating or breathing. During sleep, your brain and body undergo remarkable changes, essential for your physical and mental well-being. Sleep is like a symphony, with distinct stages, each playing a crucial role. First, we drift into light sleep. Our muscles relax and our heart rate slows. This stage prepares us for deeper sleep. Next comes deep sleep, the most restorative phase. It's like a deep dive for your brain, where it clears away toxins and consolidates memories. Deep sleep is crucial for feeling refreshed and alert the next day. Finally, we enter the realm of REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. During this stage, our brains are incredibly active, processing emotions and creating dreams. This stage is essential for learning and memory. Imagine your brain as a bustling city. Throughout the day, it generates waste products, byproducts of its hard work. This is where deep sleep comes in. Deep sleep acts like the city's cleaning crew, efficiently removing these waste products, including harmful toxins. This nightly cleansing process is vital for maintaining a healthy brain and preventing cognitive decline. Without enough deep sleep, these toxins can build up, impairing our cognitive function, memory, and even our mood. It's like neglecting to take out the trash. Eventually, the consequences catch up with us. Sleep is not just about physical restoration, it's also crucial for our emotional well-being. During sleep, our brains process emotions and regulate our mood. Areas like the amygdala, which processes fear and anxiety, and the hippocampus, crucial for memory, rely heavily on sleep for optimal function. Lack of sleep can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to increased stress, anxiety, and even depression. Have you ever noticed how irritable you feel after a poor night's sleep? That's your emotional system struggling without its essential rest. Adequate sleep, however, helps us regulate our emotions, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. It allows us to handle stress more effectively and approach challenges with a clearer mind. While we sleep, our bodies are hard at work repairing and rejuvenating. Sleep is essential for cell growth and repair, allowing our bodies to heal and rebuild. It's a bit like taking your car to the mechanic for regular maintenance, making sure everything runs smoothly. Our immune systems also rely heavily on sleep. During sleep, our bodies produce proteins called cytokines that help fight off infections and inflammation. Sleep deprivation weakens our immune defenses, making us more susceptible to illness. Sleep also plays a crucial role in regulating hormones and metabolism. It helps balance hormones that control appetite, such as leptin and ghrelin, which prevents overeating and weight gain. In today's fast-paced world, sleep is often neglected, treated as a luxury rather than a necessity. We are surrounded by sleep disruptors, from the blue light emitted by our phones and computers to the constant buzz of notifications. Caffeine consumed late in the day can interfere with our sleep patterns, keeping us alert when we should be winding down. Late meals can also disrupt sleep, as our bodies are busy digesting food instead of resting. And then there's stress, a constant companion in modern life. Stress hormones like cortisol can wreak havoc on our sleep, making it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. Despite the challenges of modern life, we can take steps to reclaim our sleep and reap its incredible benefits. One key is establishing a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends, to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Avoid screen time for at least an hour before bed, as the blue light emitted by electronic devices can interfere with melatonin production, a hormone essential for sleep. Ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet and cool. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs or a white noise machine to minimize distractions. A cooler room temperature can also promote better sleep. If you're still struggling to sleep, try natural sleep aids like chamomile tea or warm milk. These drinks contain compounds that can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Sleep is not a luxury. It's a fundamental biological need, essential for our physical and mental well-being. By understanding the science of sleep and adopting healthy sleep habits, we can unlock its transformative power. Let us honor and protect our sleep, prioritizing it as we would any other vital aspect of our health. After all, a well-rested world is a healthier, happier, and more productive world. So tonight, as you lay your head down to rest, remember the incredible journey your brain and body are about to embark on. A silent symphony of renewal and rejuvenation.